go. Why? Shut the door.
Is the camera on?
Yes, the camera is rolling. All right, bat attack, part 1. We're using this net wide, by the way. Okay. You might want to come out in the garage and just back us up. Here, wait, get the second net. Come on here and get that net.
I'm not gonna wear a helmet. The helmet.
I don't know.
Maybe we just attack it.
I'll go first.
Okay, wait.
Do it. Okay, now.
Oh, then
Let's
you
go.
go first, though.
Yeah, you go net first.
Oh shit. Birds are so scary, dude.
I know, bats are so much less intimidating. Alright. No!
I'm like really terrified
There's
of
only
it
one?
now. Yeah.
I only see one. I only
throw
heard one.
this at it.
That's not gonna work.
Yeah, it will. Watch
Dude,
it.
you're gonna hit everything. No, don't do that. Don't do
Okay,
that.
Trust me.
Let me just go in for it.
No, Wyatt.
Alright, do we send Wit in? The bird may attack you. Watch out.
Here, let me throw this one.
No, don't.
It's gonna work.
We're just gonna scare it. Alright. Come on.
But
You
wait,
just get
we
put.
all
You just get
go.
back. You just get back. Wait,
I'm gonna catch it and throw it right back at you.
Alright, fine. Hey, let's move. I'm gonna do nothing, Bertie. We just have a bunch of nuts.
I'm so scared. I'll wait for it.
Okay. Alright, it's on the move. Alright. Oh no, it's moving. Oh my god.
I got the net.
Okay.
There's
Oh,
no
it's
way
go.
Oh, God,
Oh, it's in the art room. Isolate it.
Close the door.
What is it out? Oh, we ISO'd it. Come here. Wait, we got the big net coming in. This is bird attack part 2. We have isolated the bird. Oh, shit, it's on me. Oh god, it's on top of my mom's bed. Alright, we're going in. Okay. Oh, we did not think of birdseed.
Yeah, but it's already scared now. I think it would be easier to catch it in midair. Maybe.
Did you get it? Oh wait, got it. Wait. It's oh my god. Get it. Oh my god. This is so intimidating. Alright, it's off the baiting again. Okay, it's on the move again. Watch out.
Hold on, we have a bucket.
Oh, the bucket's not gonna work. Oh fuck! You got. We got the bird.
You caught it?
Yes. We got the bird. Oh my god. Alright.
Put it in the bucket.
Look at the bucket. No.
Time out.
We gotta get this bird outside. Alright, stop.
Get it outside.
Just keep it like that. Alright, let's go. Okay. Oh god. Alright, let's go. Come on, free the bird. Don't let the bird fly away into our house. Did you get the bird? Oh my god. We got the bird.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, calm down. Everybody calm down.
Really, just take it easy. Alright.